कुचन कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालयाचा विद्यार्थी पवन इंझामोरी याने नीट परीक्षेत 720 पैकी 631 गुण घेतले। दरवर्षी 12वी नंतर मेडिकलमध्ये प्रवेश घेण्यासाठी NTA कडून एंट्रन्स एक्झाम घेतली जाते। या परीक्षेमध्ये कुचन प्रशाला कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालय व्यवसाय शिक्षण विभागातील विद्यार्थी पवन इंझामोरी याने नीट परीक्षेमध्ये 720 पैकी 631 गुण घेऊन घवघवीत यश संपादन केले। त्याबद्दल पद्मशाली शिक्षण संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष काशीनाथ गड्डम, उपाध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास कोंडी, सचिव दशरथ गोप, सहसचिवा संगीता इंदापुरे, खजिनदार नागनाथ गंजी व शालेय समिती अध्यक्ष श्रीधर चिट्ट्याल, कुचन प्रशाला कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य युवराज मेटे, उपप्राचार्य अनिल निंबाळकर यांनी पवन याचे अभिनंदन केले। पवन यांनी आपल्याला मिळालेल्या यशाचे श्रेय आई वडील, आपले गुरुजन यांना दिले। यावेळी त्याने नीट परीक्षेविषयी विद्यार्थ्यांनी परीक्षेला कसे सामोरे गेले पाहिजे याविषयी आपले मत व्यक्त केले।
Myself, Pawan Kumar Prashant Inzamuri. I have scored 631 marks in NEET 2024 examination. And this behind my score, my parents, my teachers had a very huge role. They had a very great impact in my journey, as I always get motivated by seeing them, by the selfless work. And I was the student of Kuchan Junior College. A vice principal of college, Sri Nimbalkar sir, has always inspired me by his selfless work. Sada Phule ma'am, she was my guardian. I always asked her all the queries, and she was always ready to help me out of it. And in this my NEET journey, I have understood a point I would like to share with you, that the NEET exam is not hard, but its preparation is the one which we have to tackle. The preparation needs very punctuality, discipline, and timely testing, as the nature of the exam is that we have to be tested every week. And if you are tested with the questions, then you understand your weak topics, and that is where you have to work hard. If you got that, then you are there. Thank you.